Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the experience of developing with Flutter and VS Code. We will explore why this pairing is a top choice for many developers building cross-platform applications. You will learn about the key features that make this combination so effective, from rapid development cycles to extensive customization options. Let's dive into the specifics of how these two powerful tools work together seamlessly to enhance your coding workflow. Visual Studio Code provides a fantastic environment for Flutter development. Its rich ecosystem of extensions, particularly for Dart and Flutter, significantly boosts productivity. Features like Hot Reload are game changers, letting you see UI updates in mere seconds. Plus, the integrated debugging tools make identifying and fixing issues much simpler, all within a fast and responsive editor. Flutter itself brings incredible advantages to the table. With a single codebase, you can deploy applications across mobile, web, and desktop, saving significant development time. Its rich set of customizable widgets allows for beautiful and highly performant user interfaces. The framework compiles to native code, ensuring excellent performance, and it boasts a vibrant, supportive community ready to help. Combining Flutter with Visual Studio Code creates a truly powerful development setup. VS Code's efficiency and customization options perfectly complement Flutter's rapid development capabilities and expressive UI. This synergy leads to a highly productive workflow, allowing developers to build beautiful, high-performance applications for multiple platforms with ease. It's a winning combination for modern app development.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.